Here's Scott RTAing the vehicle. He's one of the head guys at MTX Thunder Force. Real-time analyzation, we're trying to hit a 37. The car is going up for RTA and SPL next. You started? The guy knows what he's doing, I'll tell you that. Scott's got it almost flatlined. Oh, one more, come on.
I saw it flatlined.
There it goes. That's a perfect score right there. Probably not.
Feel like that when you put the mic back in the
Probably not going to do that when we put the mic back in, no.
Take a chalk and put it in the seat.
Huh?
Circle it.
Flatline, baby. That's a 40.
Okay, here we go. In the novice 601 up class, in 5th place, with a score of 153.8, Philip Reyes. In 4th place, with a score of 155.4, Jesse Kuhnhold. In 3rd place, with a score of 155.7, James McKee.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
In 2nd place, with a score of 159.9, Brian Laird.
Yeah! Yeah!
And the novice 601 up champion with a score of 164.9, Terrence Kolaski.
Now squeeze together.